Paul Morris's chances of 10 wins from 11 races at Lakeside were enhanced when Brit Patrick Watts's Peugeot caught fire on the line.
I thought, how good's this? And at least I had a clean shot to the first corner. But it's disappointing for him.
The next biggest threat was Jim Richards in his '98 Volvo S40. And after a cracker start, it was a matter of keeping the 6 times Bathurst champion at bay.
We were doing the same lap times, and the only thing that made it different was just the traffic.
A win in the second race was going to be tougher, with a repaired Watts back and Richards both ahead on the grid.
I've just got to hopefully try and do it at the start again, and if I can't, I've just got to wait for an opportunity.
The plan worked, and with 1 place between him and victory, Morris knuckled down for a tight one. Rain changed the condition of the track, making it a real driver's race and limited Morris's opportunities. The Peugeot hung on to win, but the round belongs to Morris in his 4-year-old BMW. Corners were great, but straight line, he just had it there.
Well, that's it. But, you know, I'm happy for those guys. They deserve a race win as well.
And Watts saw it pretty much the same way.
Front of that car looks good in my mirror.